everybody, it's Alex here with Adventures with Alex, and today I'm back over at Epcot to do a construction update. So as you can see over here, there's still some road construction and new walkway construction going on here. Over here they got some concept art here of what the new front entrance will look like eventually, which should be in a few short months. And I know the left side is already done, so right now they're working on the right side to match the other side, but it'll eventually all look like this. So we're here in the park now, and they got the new walkway open that leads right over to the Seas and Land Pavilion now. It's blocked off now because it's only there, they're using it for breakfast reservations. So as we come up here, you'll see the old art store over here is closed off and has moved over to the American Adventure Pavilion. See the crowds here getting pretty big. Still a lot of construction going on, especially over at Innovations West. And soon enough, all this will be gone, and you'll be able to. And this is where the new Moana walkthrough attraction will be. You see the art sign is covered up. Crowds here are starting to get big. So we're gonna go and just hang here for a bit. Wait for them to officially open the park, and we'll begin our day. So we're finally in the park, and we're over by where half of Innovations West has been completely torn down. As you can see here, there's just this piece here standing. So now we can clearly see the Imagination Pavilion. This one little piece left of half of Innovations West and where Club Pool used to be, now it just sits there waiting to be torn down. But you can see, you can get a clear view of the Imagination Pavilion. Now everyone's funneling down over here. But soon, all of this will be gone. All of Innovations West. But for now, we're just here left with this. It's gonna look real different here in years to come. Again, all this will be torn down. All of Innovations West. So all this will change, but for the good. A lot of new things coming on the horizon for Epcot. A lot of construction walls are still up over here by where Fountain of Nations used to be, which the new festival center will actually be built on. All these tarps will be torn down. The old Penn Central Station will be gone. You can see that Mouse Gears over here is going under a refurbishment and will reopen soon. But for now, they have a temporary location over through the tunnels here, over by Mission Space. But right now, currently it's covered up, so we can't see inside and what they're doing. So we're not sure what the new look's gonna be like, but we'll find out eventually when it reopens. So now we're going towards Innovations East, which is where the temporary location for Mouse Gears is. It's only temporary, just until they finish the refurbishment. Also get a peek at the new Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind Story Roller Coaster is being currently built. So as you can see here, this is where the temporary location of Mouse Gears will be. There's a spot right now. And also you can collect your artistic pass holder magnet. And also the artist is here that designed that magnet. He's here for signing. So if you want to get your magnet signed. But yeah, this is the new location or temporary location for Mouse Gears. So if you want to do your big shopping, it's right over here by Mission Space. Kind of see through the trees there. They started a lot of painting over on the new Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind Story Roller Coaster.
February 24th. February is next month. So it's 24 days.
So you can see in the back here, they've been doing a lot of work. Most of the track is installed inside the show building. But we got another year or two before they finish it. Also over there, yonder, you can see the queue line building for Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, which will also feature a backwards launch. So you'll be launched backwards, and also it'll be a spinning coaster. But it won't be spinning around freely, it's a fixed spin, so it'll direct you to where the ride wants you to look. So we just got our pass holder magnet. We are inside the temporary location for Mouse Gears. Come here and check out some of the new merchandise they got over here. Looks like they got some new jerseys, some new cups, some straws.
Love your food.
Got new shirts.
He's like, look at that.
Some new paint can buckets.
Gift cards for Christmas.
Got a couple cool looking mugs here. And some new phone cases. And another new Figment shirt. And if you're a fan of Epcot Forever, they still have those shirts here too. I already got mine, so I'm good.
Go sit down and grab anything else.
And they got more, here's some new tumbler mugs for the art festival. Here's a new hat. Here's some interesting paint buckets. They come with the shirts.
So would she prefer pink or
I need to get a picture of it.
Some more phone cases. Some more of the new hats. And that's all the merchandise for the art festival this year. And it's all themed to Figment. So if you're a fan of The Mandalorian and Yoda, I know a lot of people are calling him Baby Yoda, but he's really called the Child. You can see here on the shirt.
Can you tell me what's wrong? Do you want to go outside? Remus not fine.
You can get them on a tumbler mug, or even Mickey ears. Or you get them on a hoodie. And just let everyone know again, he's called the Child, not Baby Yoda.
They don't know the name of it.
It's the child.
Yeah. Unknown species. Look at this. Disney said cha-ching.
You can get them on a cell phone case, or if you want to wear them around on your feet, you can get a pair of socks. So if you're a fan of Star Wars and The Mandalorian, and you love the Child, which he is called, then this would be the best place to get your Star Wars merchandise. The Mission Space. You can see over here, they put up some new wall art showing off what the new play pavilion is going to look like. So here it looks pretty cool. And it's going to be right over here, right where the Wonders of Life Pavilion is, that big gold dome building. Remember, years back it used to house attractions like Cranium Command and Body Wars and other hands-on activities. It used to be about health and fitness, but now it'll be about playing. As you can see, they also have finally painted the dome, so now it looks clean and brand new. Looks like it did when it first opened. So that's another exciting attraction coming to Epcot. Just got off Soarin', and we're gonna go and head over to the pin shop, but we're gonna get over there using the new walkway they have built over here. So they finally got this over here, and they got some new graphics here on the walls here. Some different characters there. Got Mr. Ray from Nemo. Got Moana. And speaking of Moana, this is where they're going to build a new Moana attraction, Journey of Water. Hence is why you see all the Moana characters. Here you got Crush from Finding Nemo and Finding Dory. You got Gerald over there. Over here on this side, you got some of the old and new Epcot logos. See, they blocked off this opening over here, which would normally go towards the front of the park here. But they're still doing a little bit of work over here. Probably reopen it soon. So this is the new walkway. Be easier to get around when they start demolishing the rest of Innovations West. We're going to head over to the pin shop, which is now currently by the front of the park. So today I'm going to go and head out. So today was great. Got everything I needed. And Festival of the Arts was awesome. Saw a lot of great artists. Also saw Catherine O'Hara from Beauty and the Beast. So I will see you guys next time.